The measurement of lawn tennis court for singles is 78 feet by 27 feet. The main credit of the concept of non-aligned movement goes to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India. The headquarters of the United Nations is at New York. The main purpose of the Group of 77 was to defend the economic and trade interests of the developing nations of the world. The largest party of Ireland, the Ulster Unionist Party, endorses the Northern Ireland peace deal between British and Irish governments in 1998. The last ruler of the Mughal dynasty was Bahadur Shah Zafar. The headquarters of the Warsaw Treaty Organization were at Moscow. The last Asian Games took place in 2002 at Busan, South Korea. The important minerals of Assam are petroleum. The headquarters of BSF are at New Delhi. The headquarters of Lalit Kala Academy are at New Delhi. The headquarters of Army are situated at New Delhi. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice are at The Hague. The highest rank in army is at General. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located in which of the following cities? Manila.